I am out here really exploring today. Although I get this funny sense that I've been here before, even though I have no idea where I am. But let's go in and see what we can find. Oh, I really like the look of what's going on here. I really do feel like I've been here before. I might have made that up. Oh my gosh, look, they have a bug. This is awesome. So I have indeed not been here before. I guess I just ended up at a yellow building the last time I got lost somewhat near. Oh my gosh, look at the Humpty Dumpty. Okay, so the prices in this area might not be friendly towards me, but we're still looking anyway. Oh my gosh, that's such a cute little children's bib. Epic. All right, this place is strange. I like it. What's happening here? Metal army flowers. Interesting. That is different. That's really interesting. I've never seen something like that. Seems like it would be valuable. Oh my gosh. Ron and Kath. Okay, so that one's engraved. I love those beveled edges. Oh my gosh, what about this one? This one's plain. $17. That's unbelievably gorgeous. And they have a discount in this booth. I think I might actually pay up for this because these are really hard to find and usually sell for good money. Let me do the math right quick. Oh my gosh, but wait. Alas, there's more. Look at this one. $5 sold. These are cool too. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. I like the direction this is going over here. What is this necklace? Carved bone beads, $8. That is a very cool necklace. Is it a necklace or is it just beads? I think it's actually just beads, but you could wear it as a necklace. This is one of the most fantastic hats I've ever seen. Yeah, they have some amazing stuff in here. Random kitschy flocked dog. That's cute. Love the daisy collar on him. Look at that celluloid ballerina doll. I'm kind of looking for a space to seclude myself because if you guys notice, I'm talking really, really quietly. You might not because of the mic, but I stick out like a sore thumb here. Oh my gosh, look at these beaded flowers. Set of 3. Okay, how much are they going to be though? $30. Is there a discount? No discount, so $10 each. I'm really tempted to, because beaded flowers have been selling very well for me. And these are awesome. I kind of want to. $10 each, basically. I'm gonna see if I can find any comps. Oh wow, that's definitely more than I'd like to spend. But at $10 each, they're definitely a really good deal. Especially because they're the sunflower, they're big. Oh, I'm on the fence. That's a lot of money to front on one item. Well, technically 3, I guess. This is really pretty. I'm sure it's expensive. $32. Actually, not as expensive as I thought it was going to be. Oh my gosh, look at this guy. How fantastic is he? Oh, he's a heavy one. $20. It's probably about what I'd get for that after fees. Oh, he's got a chip too. Never mind. Now, here's a deal. This is amazing. I've never seen it like this. I've only ever seen it with the cherries. I've never seen this large size with all the fruit. That's very cool. Well, there's a couple things that caught my attention in the toy booth. Of course, the Edward Mobley cat. It's in a case. That's not a good sign. And look at these great redhead dolls. I can't remember what they're called. $35 for the pair. Oh, a little too close. I mean, that's about retail after you divide it up, actually. The most incredibly epic red chairs you've ever seen. So I got myself another bracelet. I know, but it's okay. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you know how rare it is for me to buy something for myself and at an antique mall. And it was $4, so c'est la vie. And I got that amazing jewelry casket. So let's call it $14 spent there. And I am now gonna get in the road and hit my next stop. I'll see you guys when I get there. I am so turned around. I think that this is the place that I thought I had been when I thought I had been to the last place that I'd never been. I have no idea where I am though, so maybe I'm just crazy. I am on a big adventure today. I took a really weird detour this morning to get out up way north, and I'm exploring, so let's go in and see what we can find. Of course, I'm gonna be a little frugal, a little stingy, and only pick up probably smaller items because this stuff is going on the road with me. So let's go in and see what we can find again, huh? So this is indeed the spot that I thought it was, that I'd been before when I got lost the last time I was out here. I don't remember much. I do remember that I found some stuff in like a back space. The prices are definitely higher in this area than they are where I normally go, but you never know what you're gonna find. Like this. This is a really good one. Definitely harder to find. Super clean. $25 and 15% off, right? It's because it's not firm. Oh my gosh. Wow. Epic. Let me do the math on that right quick. All right, well, I'm off to a good start. I do believe that that's one of the ones that sells for a lot. I've sold ones like that upwards of $90. Oh my gosh, is this the Ronettes? The Supremes, excuse me. Oh my gosh, how rude of me. Yeah, I'm excited to be here. I got a basket, 15 on the Westmoreland cats. I'm trying to go in order, but alas, whatever this rabbit is, oh my gosh, it's a Nina Hira. 25 firm. Some of these Nina Hiras sell for a lot of money. I've never seen that one. I might Google it. Oh, I don't want to spend $20 an item. That's going to add up real fast. Well, again, I do believe it's, well, I know for, oh my gosh, Miss Dainty. It's definitely a rare one. Oh my gosh, 52. Okay, so they're kind of hip here. I know I could make money on that Nina Hira. I really don't want to spend that much on, oh my gosh, look at these. These are so fun. $10 each though. I don't want to spend $20 an item, but I have to stick to my guns and like rubbers, rubber faces and Kitsch and all that stuff. That's kind of my lane, so, oh my gosh, look at this milk bottle, you guys. I love that. I love the graphic on that. I have to stick to my guns. Now, I have been branching out, obviously, a lot, but I can't stop picking up the best kitschy items. So I'm gonna probably grab that when I lap back around down here. We'll see. Oh my gosh, there's so much neat stuff in here. Wow, more bunnies. See a couple newer left in pieces, 70s, 80s, and a lot of hobbyists, newer stuff. Nothing that's topping anything I've already found so far, though. Oh my gosh, I love the Humpty Dumpty. Okay, keep going. Oh, I love this too. And how fantastic is this milk bottle? Huh. I love the little cookie jar hiding in here. Again, a lot of the prices are a little bit higher. You have 36, fair for a collector. Too much for me to do anything with it. How much fun are these vintage buttons? Half doll. That's a really pretty one. 15, not bad at all. Especially considering some of the prices we've seen thus far today. I do have to say a lot of the booths are very well displayed. Look at how cute this is. I haven't really found much yet, which is surprising considering how much stuff is in here. A lot of stuff that's close. Nothing fancy. Oh my gosh. Togetherness. Those are so cute, those banks up there. This vintage Easter hand painted. I think you need a key. No, you don't. These doors open. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So 35% off. What is this anyway? Hand painted Easter, 35% off of $10. I'm gonna get that. That's adorable. I'm loving this little doll booth. The thing that pops out to me the most though is this bank. Oh my gosh. A penny for your thoughts. How cute is that? $13.50 and 15% off. I wonder if I could get away with that. I've never seen this before. I'm actually not familiar with the maker. Let's see. Oh, American Greeting. Play Pal Plastics, 1975. That is so cute. I don't know if there's enough room in that. It's a little more than I'd like to spend on it, though. It's very, very cute. That's a really pretty lamp. Again, I'm trying to stay in order, but I saw these guys and I had to stop. 25% over $10. So how much are these? Oh my gosh, how cute. The elephants. This little green elephant planter is only $5. I'm gonna get that. The pink one's 10, which is a little too close for me. Rubber face monkeys. How much are you? $12. What? That's zippy. $12, yeah. Sold. What about you? Oh my gosh, this is awesome. $12. Sold. Just monkeying around. All right, let's check these for children's hankies. Royal Copley cat. He's quite fantastic. $25. I love that little cloth book in there. That is so cute. I love the chenille chicks, but again, they're so expensive. The prices have been going up insane. That says $69 for those 3 of them. I like the look of this booth. Let's see. I see these fish. I can't ignore them. Those are fantastic. How much are they? $8. That's super cheap. These are really fun. Should I get these? I'm kind of like multitasking. I'm looking around while I look at the fish. Oof, that didn't sound good. At least it wasn't me. 8. These are fun, but they have the shells on them. I'm surprisingly leaving the fish today. That is such an interesting piece of pottery. Howard Pierce. Well, it looks expensive, but there's a few things in here. This vintage compact set. And the other thing that I noticed was this Victorian photo album, but that's at $80. All right, well, I'm back where these cat planters were. Unfortunately, they're like $15 each. I know I could make money on them, but it's just more than I'd like to spend on them. But I do see a ballerina handkerchief. How much is this? $10. That's more than I'd like to spend, although they have been selling very well for me. And it's easy to ship. Oop. I don't want to spend $10 on it, though. That's a little extreme. Oh, it's a little much. It's a little close. And we have a winner. Okay, first of all, that's amazing. There's a lot going on in here. Oh my gosh. Okay. So first up, I'm just going to take this step by step. 32. Okay, so it's expensive here. Dang. I don't blame them though. Oh my gosh, look at this World's Fair set. That's a really good one. That's super hard to find. And it even comes with the little pocket thingy. Oh, I love this lamp too. And Davy Crockett, he's fantastic. How much is he? 98. Okay, just kidding. These planters are amazing. I love this style with the plastic inserts. 52. Yeah, pricey. But if you divide that up, I mean, that's about what I would sell those for too, so it makes sense. I cannot ignore this green ice bucket, 42. That's a pass for me. This desk is amazing. Let's see what else. I love the mushroom wall plaques. They're probably in their Miller Studio, but they're plastic, very fragile. Okay, this clock though. Oh my gosh, 62. That's me all day. Whoa, look at Three's Company. Display with the gum. Oh wow, this booth is epic. And this doll, there's something about this doll that looks very expensive. 89. Vintage Go-Go Dancers Music Box Works. That's like something I would buy for myself for sure. And you, $39 though. I cannot justify that, especially with a little bit of paint loss. This though, on the other hand, it's probably like $100. 72, yeah. Wow, I love that though. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's expensive. But like, and the lighter and the one with the cutout polka dots, definitely no discount in this booth. And look at that pink one. And these vintage glasses and the big daisy. The flowers are very expensive here. That looks like, oh my gosh, this is the coolest case. Now these are the glasses I want. Those are $79. Those are amazing. Wow. I would normally be upset, but like I said, I'm about to be antiquing for 6 weeks straight across the country, so who knows what I'm gonna find. This is 142, that's amazing. Well, I finally ended up back down there where the rabbit was. I got turned around. I must have missed a big section. I'm gonna go down here. You know what? I'm not sure if I really wanna spend 25 on it. It's just a little bit much. If it wasn't marked firm, it would be 20% off too. What a deal. I ended up spending $55 in there. Now I am getting back on the road. I have another 45 minutes headed up north until I get to the place where I was originally going this morning. Finally. I'll see you guys when I get there.